Hebei No. 6 Rubber Co. Limited is a subsidiary of Tianjin China Rubber Co. Limited. It was established in 2009 and has an independent production factory. Hebei No. 6 Rubber Co. Limited is an enterprise with rubber raw materials and rubber sheets as its core production technology, occupying 70% of the raw material supply for the rubber industry in the domestic industrial zone. Our main advantage is own producing raw materials. Compared with other rubber sheet manufacturers, we have better control over the use and quality of raw materials. We offer a variety of standard rubber sheet products, including general rubber sheets, technical rubber sheets, anti-slip rubber sheets, anti-fatigue mats, animal rubber mats, and extra thick rubber sheeting. Our products have obtained international certifications such as SGS, RoHS 2.0, REACH, IEC 61111, ensuring stable and reliable quality, with a daily production capacity of 106 tons. Hebei No. 6 Rubber Co. Limited has rich export experience and cooperates with companies in various industries to provide unique products and services to customers in industry, construction, gasket manufacturing, petroleum, chemicals, agriculture, etc. Our warehouse covers an area of 930 square meters and has the most comprehensive inventory of general rubber sheets. Apart from this, we also provide personalized rubber product manufacturing to our customers.